On this Tailgate Talk episode, we're gonna just say no to hanger wires. 6 and 8 foot corridors on many projects like healthcare and education can have heavily congested plenums that make dropping a wire difficult, if not impossible. I'm gonna show you how to eliminate wires in 6 foot corridors or just have one wire per main runner in 8 foot corridors. Okay, first let's talk about non-seismic installations. This is the single span Prelude Peakform Plus main runner. It's 3 times stronger than conventional main beams due to its 2.44 inch high double bulb construction that provides heavy duty strength and support and maximum load carrying performance. Paired with 7/8 inch structural wall angle, you can span wire free in 6 foot corridors. Just attach your Prelude Peakform Plus main runner to your 7/8 inch structural wall angle with an XTAC clip or an XTAC bracket. 0 wires are needed. Now, because your angle is structural, it must be screwed to your wall studs due to the loads that it is carrying. If your corridor is up to 8 foot wide, install the same way as the 6 foot corridor, but make sure there's a hanger wire somewhere along the Prelude Peakform Plus main runner, no more than 72 inches from the wall. Now, the single span corridor suspension system has been certified by IAPMO and approved for categories C, D, E, and F. It was also tested on the seismic shake tables at UCSD in Buffalo, New York. For an 8 foot seismic corridor, install 1.25 inch structural wall angle down both sides of your corridor by screwing to the wall studs. Your Prelude Peakform Plus main runners will be fixed to one side of the corridor with the XTAC clips through the structural wall angle. Your opposing wall will be your float wall. Your mains will be held to the float wall via single span's lateral support bar, which is screw attached to the wall studs. Your lateral support bar will allow 3/4 inch main runner movement in a seismic event, while the cross tees float freely via the Burke 2 clip, which is attached to the structural wall angle. Your single wire must be no more than 72 inches from either wall in an 8 foot corridor. Now, I know many of you are asking, what about 9/16 inch grid systems? Well, you can add single span strength to any Armstrong heavy duty main beam by attaching strongback support pieces to them. Your strongback adds a second bulb to heavy duty main runners. Simply screw attach the strongback to the bulb of your main runner with number 8 by 1/2 inch self-dealing screws along the length of your strongback main beam interface. You'll leave the ends of your main beams exposed so they can effectively engage Burke 2 clips along your float wall and this 1.25 inch structural wall angle. Your opposing fixed wall is attached via the XTAC clips. Again, your hanger wire can be no more than 72 inches from either wall in an 8 foot corridor. I hope these solutions will help you span your next congested corridor with ease. To learn more, simply go to armstrongceilings.com/singlespan.